Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike is a game changer for urban commuting and recreational riding.
With its powerful 1000W motor, it offers impressive acceleration and a top speed of over 30 miles per hour, making it suitable for both city environments and hilly terrains. The bike's ability to fold is a significant advantage, allowing for easy transport and storage, fitting neatly into car trunks or even closets. One of the standout features of this e-bike is its 48V 20AH removable battery. This large capacity ensures an extended range, allowing riders to cover substantial distances without worrying about running out of power. Depending on the mode of assistance and terrain, users can expect a range of 30 to 50 miles on a single charge, which is ideal for daily commuters. The ability to remove the battery for charging adds convenience, as you can charge it indoors without needing to bring the entire bike inside. The design of the bike is robust yet sleek. It features a sturdy aluminum frame that lends itself to the durability needed for everyday use, while the folding mechanism is well engineered, ensuring stability when riding. The bike is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power in various weather conditions, enhancing rider safety. Riding experience is further enhanced by the adjustable seat and handlebars, catering to different rider heights and preferences. The bike also comes with integrated LED lights and reflectors, ensuring visibility during night rides. However, it's important to note that while the bike is designed for casual riding, it can feel a bit heavy when folded, which might be a consideration for those looking for ultra-lightweight options. Additionally, assembling the bike may require some time and patience, particularly for those unfamiliar with bike assembly. Overall, the 1000W folding electric bike is a fantastic investment for anyone seeking a powerful, versatile, and convenient mode of transportation. It balances performance with practicality, making it an excellent choice for both seasoned cyclists and newcomers alike.